Alright, Certain Aquatics back with another one. Cut the doors, went and got the hinges. I was looking for some things for the bottom, but they didn't have any. I'm going to have to order those off the internet, online. And they didn't have door hinges that I wanted. Well, doorknobs that I wanted, and I don't have any doorknobs left. But I'm going to be ordering those. But yeah, so pretty good. And these do go all the way. I say those do open all the way up. I'll just have to paint, reseal, do a test leak, and that'll be done. Certain Aquatics, peace and blessings.